Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Larry. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Today's video is about this look. Yes, this look. So if you have not subscribed, kindly click on subscribe button down below, because on this channel we do everything blendable. We blend to become perfect. So if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe down below. I actually did a talk through in this particular video. I don't know how it will turn out. If it turn out well, if it does not turn out well, I'll do a voiceover in between the video. So without wasting much of your time, let's get the video rolling.
1, 2, 3, funky.
Okay guys, I have already moisturized my lips with Vaseline lip therapy. I'll be setting my brows with my Pineapple Cosmetics loose powder. So going in with my spoolie brush to brush my brow into place, and I'll be using my pencil from Cosmetic. So I started off by drawing a line underneath my natural brow, and I drew one at the top to meet the first line. So going in with the same Cosmetic Art brow pencil in the shade brown to fill in my brow. Just like this. So if you look closely, you will see the demarcation between the black pencil and the brown pencil. I'll be going back with my spoolie brush to brush both pencils together so that you not see the demarcation. So to clean my brow, I'll be using this BH Cosmetics I sometimes love talking, but when I'm concealing my brow, I don't talk. So I'll use the same concealer to clean the top part of my brow. So guys, I went ahead and did this this brow off camera. I'll be using the same concealer I used to clean my brows as my eyeshadow base. So let's go ahead and apply that one. I don't know, but whenever I do a voice through a talk through, my video turns out to be longer than normal. Longer. I'll be using this purple shade right here. It doesn't look purple. To blend that out, I'll be using this shade right here to blend that out. I'm using this shade right here, which is a little bit brownish, to highlight my brow bone. So I went back with the purple shade into my crease. Yes, I went back with a little bit of the purple shade. Using the Vaseline to help me clean my lid. So using my wipe like this, then you see how clean that is? That's the trick. Using my concealer from AOA Wonder Cover Concealer in the shade Cool Tan as my eyeshadow base. I'm not cutting my crease, I mean as in cut crease, no. But I'm trying to use this as a base. Okay, just like this, we are not cutting our crease as in precise cut crease. This is what we are going in for. So I'll go in with this palette, which is Catrice the Ultimate Chrome. Oh, and I'll be using this shade. Oh guys, this shade right here. You see how breathtaking that shade is? Okay, should I use a brush? Hell no. Okay, let me be professional for today. I'll use a brush. Okay, I just changed my mind. I'll be adding and this and this one. I'm using these two shades right here. So guys, going back into the purple shade I used earlier on to blend the edges. So I'm kind of bringing it down to the white shade, if that makes sense. That's white shade on my lid, to kind of blend it together. So guys, to line my eye, I'll be using this Flama Cosmetics liner. Since I have a fallout on my natural lashes, I'll be using my mascara before using my falsies. So all I'm doing is I'm applying my lash glue on the liner I drew to make applying lashes easier. If you have not seen my lash tutorial, please check it out. Yes, and when applying your lashes, always remember to tuck in your lashes with your falsies with your natural lashes, please, so that there won't be any demarcation between your falsies and your natural lashes. Okay guys, I went ahead and did the rest of my face off camera. So this is our final look. If you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button down below. Click on notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Until meet again, stay blessed, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.